Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're doing sum, differences, and products of surds. Okay, so let's look at a few examples. I'm going to skip straight to number 2 here. Let's simplify each of these surds, and hopefully we'll get the same exact thing under the surd symbol, and then we can simplify. So this is root 20. Now the perfect square number that goes into 20 is 4. 4, root 4, root 5. Now when you got like x cubed, you can simplify if it's a even number in the exponent. So we can write that as x squared root x root y. That's just from the first term. Second term is 45. Well, 9 goes into 45. And then we've got root x to the power 4, root x, root y. And then the last term, let me write it up here. I don't have much room. We can't simplify the next one anyway. Okay, so that gives us, now root x squared is just x, so we're going to have 3x cubed times 2. This is root 5 and root x and root y. So that's root 5xy. Okay, and this one here we got a 3. And then we've got root x to the power 4 gives you x squared. X squared times x gives you x cubed. And then we got again root 5xy. And lastly, that one didn't simplify at all, so it's x cubed root 5xy. So they're all x cubed root 5xy, so they're like terms. You can add them together. This is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus 1 is 2. So we get 2x cubed root 5xy. Okay, next we can multiply these together and then simplify, but notice 5 goes into both of them. So you can write 15 as root 5 root 3, and you can write 10 as root 5 root 2, and then you can multiply the root 5's together. That gives you a 5, and root 3 times root 2 is 6. If you multiply together, you get root 150, and it also simplifies to 5 root 6. Okay, next one is very similar to before. When you see an odd exponent, you can rewrite it with even exponents, like so, root x squared root x. And the other one is, since that's a root 3, I could rewrite 15 as root 3 root 5, and then I can multiply these together. And root x to the power of 8 is x to the power of 4. And now you can multiply all this together. You got 4 times 5 is 20. Then you're going to get a 3 as well. So 3 times 20 is 60. And then we've got, this is root x squared. And you got x to the power, root x squared is x. X times x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5. And then the third part is going to be root 5x. Okay, next one. Now you can, before you simplify, you can recognize that this is root 2 root 5. And then we can expand the brackets. So root 5 times root 5 is 5. So this is basically 2 times 6 times 5, which is 60 for your first term. Next term, you've got a root 5 times root 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So it's 10 root 2. And for the last term here, you got root 5 times root 7, which doesn't simplify. And you got 2 times 4 is 8, so you got 8 root 35. Okay, and next is just expanding the brackets like this. It's no problem. 4 root 3 times 2 root 3. Well, the root 3 times root 3 gives you a 3. So that's 4 times 2 is 8. Times 3 is 24. Next, that's going to be 20 root 6. And this one is 2 root 6. And lastly, root 2 times root 2 gives you 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so it's going to be minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 14, and this gives you negative 18 root 6.